Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming MIUI version and making a quick backup. This prevents surprises. Now unlock the phone and go to Settings, then Lock Screen. Once there, tap Widgets or Shortcuts to enter Edit mode. You need to grant any requested permissions. Make sure to accept notifications and widget access. Doing this first clears permission blockers and places you directly into the interface where Widgets live. From here, you'll see existing widgets and the Add or Edit controls. Tap Add to begin customizing. Once in Edit mode, tap Add or Edit to choose from built-in and installed third-party widgets. You'll see drag handles. Use them to position and resize widgets. Pinch to resize where supported. Make sure to tap each widget's gear icon to configure shortcuts, transparency, and allowed actions so they behave as expected on the lock screen. If a widget needs notification access, enable it in App Permissions. After arranging, tap Save or Apply. This writes settings to the lock screen immediately. Finish by saving your layout and testing. Lock the device and wake the screen to confirm widgets show and respond. If a widget is missing or blank, make sure the associated app has lock screen and notification permissions, and disable battery optimization for that app. Once done, force close settings or reboot the phone to clear UI cache if widgets don't update. If problems persist, remove then re-add the widget. This refresh often resolves conflicts caused by MIUI restrictions or app updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.